is currently 11 a.m. on November 1st. We have received breaking news from multiple sources that yesterday, President Johnson decided to halt Operation Rolling Thunder. Operation Rolling Thunder is a bombing campaign that the United States had secretly switched to and has been using against North Vietnam throughout the Vietnam War. The president first began the series of attacks on March 2, 1965, with the use of United States military aircrafts. This massive bombardment was intended to put military pressure on North Vietnam's communist leaders and reduce their capacity to wage war against the United States-supported government of South Vietnam. Johnson administration officials believed that the heavy and sustained bombing might reduce North Vietnam's ability to produce and transport supplies to aid the Viet Cong insurgency. Operation Rolling Thunder marked the first sustained American assault on North Vietnamese territory and represented a major expansion of United States involvement in the Vietnam War. Here is Riley with more updates on this sudden news.
That is right, Cassidy. I'm reporting live here in North Vietnam. I've got some information you're going to want to hear. Operation Rolling Thunder took place on March 2nd, 1965 to November 1st, 1968. Over 30,000 people lost their lives or were lost in North Vietnam. $300 million were put back into repairs. This operation was done by aerial bombing because the U.S. believed it would prevent future lives of American people. It was actually the most intense aerial campaign in U.S. history. Some of the main reasons why we did this was because we believed that it would boost the morale of the South Vietnam people. We wanted to prevent soldiers and materials from the North going to the South. And for the bombings, the U.S. had many different routes. They actually had 7 different ones. The reason why is because they didn't want the Air Force and the Navy going to the same exact locations. The U.S. Air Force had 156A, and the U.S. Navy had 2346B. And the border of China was known for the buffer zone. And most of the U.S. strikes were taking place on an island based in Thailand. The North Vietnam people felt threatened, so they would shoot down the U-2 spy planes. The Rolling Thunder was approved by the president on February 13th, 1965. That's all I've got today for you, Cassidy. I hope you have a good day. I'm Riley Siegel.